Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, my name is Jay.
And I am Trent.
If you are not new here, welcome back. We're having a delicious meal today. We made some homemade oxtail with some rice and peas and a little bit of coleslaw. So we're gonna say grace before babe starts eating meal. The Lord's my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters, restored my soul. Amen. Okay, as I said, we had some oxtail on the menu, and we haven't had this in quite some time. I mean, we bought it. We have some extra sauce here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. Had a wonderful week. Looking forward to a new week. And had a wonderful weekend.
Even without no gravy, this rice is still good. The rice is shelly.
No, it's really, really good though.
Guys, tell us how you like your rice and peas. This rice is so shelly, it's not dry. That's why I don't use gravy.
Not that I needed the gravy, but I'm a sauce person, so I'm gonna just do it regardless. How have you been, baby?
Great, for the most part.
Oh no. What I realized is that people don't get asked that question a lot.
So with that, when you ask me, I said not so great.
No, that was not the point though.
But due to the fact that people don't get asked the question a lot, now it's my chance, guys. She asked me what I was doing, now it's my chance to run down all my problems to her. And I chose not to.
I mean, I didn't really say all of that, no. No.
But look, Joy, people does get asked that a lot, but the person who's asking, do they pause long enough to hear the, oh, what are you doing?
Well, I'm not sure. I still disagree because I don't remember where I was. I mean, probably the supermarket. I'm not sure. More like that's where I was. And somebody asked how I was. You know, casual. Hey, how you doing? Whatever. And I'm like, fine. How are you? And the person was actually shocked for the mere fact that I asked in return how they were. Technically, I really didn't care how the person was, but it's common courtesy for, you know.
So you didn't want to hear? If they had no start telling you a long story.
Yeah, I would have walked away. That's automatic. I don't know you like that.
Look at the world. Take a look at the world around you.
No, I'm not saying that's the world around us. I'm just saying it's common courtesy. But when a stranger asks you, you ask in return. Now you wait long enough for them to say good, bad, or whatever the case is, because you're thinking a stranger is just gonna say one or two words. It's not gonna be a story. You get what I'm saying?
Okay, ask me again.
I don't know if I'm gonna ask you again.
I wasn't prepared. Because as you say,
See, that was the whole point. You weren't prepared.
right? Because people don't really ask that, right?
Okay.
I wasn't prepared, so ask me again.
How you doing, babe?
Look, I have so much going on.
No. Due to the fact that we are as close as we are, I'm going to indulge and listen to what's going on with you.
That's the only reason, huh?
Yeah.
So you wouldn't save a stranger off the ledge. Ooh, baby. Ooh.
Turn that in.
Guys, I'm gonna try. I bite into it. I don't know if you guys could. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see this oxtail right here.
It is very tender.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So I should be courteous, but I can be like, "How are you, babe?"
Yes, that's just how it's supposed to go.
How are you, babe? This food is so good.
No.
Yeah, that's because I don't want to know how you are.
No,
So I just cut you off
No, due to the fact that we know. Because I've already established that we are close enough for you to actually listen to what I'm going to say. So I think it's
established that for yourself, not for me. That for you.
Well, you got a point there.
Make it understand. I'm making a decision for me.
That is true.
I'm a grown person.
That's very true.
Big-breasted grown person.
That is true.
I do apologize.
But I thought since I had already established that, would I just roll along with it?
We're not rolling.
Okay. So, remind me never again to ask you how you doing.
Hey, Jay, you could be the only guys. You could be the only person standing between a stranger and a rooftop, a stranger on a ledge, a stranger on a window. You get what I'm saying? When you ask, mean the ask. Mean the ask, like, how you doing? To say passionate, like.
Because if you say passionate, people are going to think that you're actually interested. When half the time you don't know that person, so you can't really be interested.
That's what I'm saying, babe. You could be the only person standing between a person and a ledge.
The only thing I could do for you in that instance is say, do not go over there.
I want you to come with me. That's the kind of spouse I am. If I'm going, she going too.
No, we're talking about strangers. I'm not. And you just established a while ago with me that we're not that close. So no, I'm just gonna use
Jay, no.
not that close.
The most fucked up shit just happened to me. Guys,
what?
You ever been eating and you bit your tongue? Baby, and you don't want to act like you bite your tongue because you know that you're not supposed to be eating and talking because that's what we was taught as kids. But as adults, we like, fuck you, we're gonna eat and talk. I just bit my tongue. Tears came to my left eye.
Just the left one?
Just the left I just bit my tongue.
I'm sorry.
I'm still eating, by the way, because this is good, you know.
I'm just having this conversation to say, I think it's only fair that we all be cordial to each other. And if somebody asks you, even if you don't mean it, you know, because the person does not know that you don't mean it. Okay, they don't.
They're gonna know when you ask and your face says, thank God. You just say you're fine.
I mean, that is if the person could read
your mind.
The person could read your body language. Okay.
When I ask somebody, I want to know. If I don't want to know, I'm not going to ask them.
No. I'll say for me, if we're cordial enough, I was looking for the right word, and I think that was the right one. If we're cordial enough, I will care how your day was. If we're complete strangers, no.
Okay, guys. Comment below how was your day.
And I hope it was wonderful.
Or for you to just be like, it's good. Now I know next time someone asks me, hey, how you doing? Guys, I promise you, I'm going to run down my whole life story to them.
And you're going to see that person's face change with a smile to a frown.
No, so you shouldn't ask me.
It's just polite to do so.
Yo, even if it's a stranger. Even better for me because I'm not gonna see you after I tell you my old business.
That is absolutely real.
It's really good. And the seasoning on this bad boy, electrifying. Oh God, baby. Hey, babe. What is this?
On the menu for mimosas, we're having a blueberry tropical inspired Bacardi mimosa. What? A blueberry tropical inspired Bacardi mimosa.
Okay, let me see. This one's strong.
It is.
Oh, this one is hella strong.
It is.
That is some strong.
It's definitely a lot stronger than the rest of them so far.
Ooh, I'm scared to drink this.
It's actually, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna put some lemon. Drop it.
Whoa.
Let's see now. Yeah.
Better.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah, it did cut it out a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
this one was good too, babe. This one was good too. I like it.
I know it
With
was
the lemon.
Yeah. I know it was stronger than the rest of them.
Yeah. I was finished eating just now.
Or the what?
Mm-hmm.
What makes it stronger than?
Can't stop. Yo, guys, have you ever been to a restaurant that you have to keep going back to that restaurant no matter what? Yo, the food could run your belly. The food could let your lips swell. It could give you allergy reaction. No matter what, that's how good the food is. You're like, forget that. I'm gonna just take this for the day or the night and get through it because I have to eat the food that's Jody's restaurant. No, babe don't have a restaurant, but I'm just saying. So not saying babe food runs my belly and all of that. I'm just saying that's how good it is. Not. It's alright.
That's a good idea. I don't know.
I'm gonna take the ski and shove it far up my. It's not a bad idea.
Because I'm trying to make sense of the whole statement just now, and it's still just not happening.
Don't make sense, baby. Don't make sense of it. It did not make no sense.
That's what I thought.
Don't even sit with it. But because I was just referring to him like, I'm trying to let him understand what I'm saying. I'm not saying that you couldn't give me running belly and all
No,
that
it kind of
stuff.
sounds that way though.
No. I'm just saying.
I mean, for the mere fact you're gonna put my cooking with that, it just.
There was no better way.
There's much better ways. There's always better ways of doing things and saying things. Come on now.
Yeah, cooking is great.
You're welcome.
I think this one I stuck my foot in my. Yeah.
Yeah, we had a good time, isn't it?
It's really good.
Yeah, it is tender and nice, so I like that. The food was absolutely delicious. The oxtail was very, very, very tender, which was really nice. The rice, as Babe said earlier, it's very shelly, very soft, very nice. The coleslaw was moist.
Guys, I'm gonna give you a tip. Listen, I honestly didn't want to give out this tip, Jay, because I'm a selfish person, you see. I'm very territorial. I don't like to give good tips. This is the best tip I'm gonna ever give.
That's sad though.
Why?
That you don't like to give good.
No. I want it for myself. Every tip I want for me. So listen to the tip. Guys, I promise you, if you eat a whole meal and after the meal you drink a mimosa, it solidifies the day. I'm telling you, give it a try. That's a tip.
You know what?
You know I don't drink.
That's true. That's
The
true. That's
first
true.
time I ate and you made the mimosa and I drink it after, it's like it make the meal go down way better than how it's sitting than with a juice.
I'm not gonna lie, I do agree with you though. Usually I'm a person that drinks while I'm eating, but for some strange reason, I could wait until the end of the meal to actually drink the mimosa, and then it completes it actually. So I do agree with Babe. It does complete it.
Now give it a try and come back to the channel. Comment below and tell me what you think. I guarantee you, 99% of alcoholics is gonna love it.
That is true.
No,
that
I'm making for that. No, I'm not making for that. But I'm just saying.
That is very true. Yep.
Right.
Guys,
This was good. I like
Yeah.
this one. You
You
have to
like
make this
that?
one again. Yeah, I like this
Uh-huh.
one.
I thought it was too strong at first.
At first, but when the lemon went in, it was right.
Yeah.
Jay, this mimosa, what is it again? I'm sorry.
It's I'm gonna hold it up for y'all to see.
There's
It's
nothing in
a as you could remember, it's a blueberry tropical inspired Bacardi mimosa. This was so good. Oh my god. Thank you guys for sitting with us. Thank you guys for enjoying this wonderful, wonderful meal. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful week that's about to start, and do enjoy the rest of your beautiful, beautiful day.
Peace!